Hello everyone, it's Catherine from the OET. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be practicing reading sentences together. We're going to read all about winter weather and nature. This is following our video from earlier this week, learning different winter weather vocabulary words. If you missed it, check the description below and you can click on the video to watch it. Let's have a go at reading some sentences together. First, I'm going to read the sentence to you twice. You can repeat after me. Then, pause the video to read on your own. Press play again when you're ready for the next sentence. Try your best. Winter is cold. Winter is cold. I see snow. I see snow. The snowfall is light. The snowfall is light. The ice is hard. The ice is hard. I see frost on the leaves. I see frost on the leaves. It is windy today. It is windy today. The snowstorm is strong. The snowstorm is strong. There are many clouds in the sky. There are many clouds in the sky. The fog is thick. The fog is thick. It is freezing outside. It is freezing outside. The snowflake is small. The snowflake is small. The icicles are long. The icicles are long. The evergreen trees are green. The evergreen trees are green. The pine tree has snow on the branches. The pine tree has snow on the branches. The frozen lake is slippery. The frozen lake is slippery. The snow-covered ground is white. The snow-covered ground is white. The mountains are very tall. The mountains are very tall. The snowdrift is high. The snowdrift is high. The frozen river is cold. The frozen river is cold. The cold air hurts my nose. The cold air hurts my nose. Wow, you did a great job with your reading today. Fantastic effort, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me and practicing your reading skills today. I'll see you soon for lots more English learning fun. Bye for now.